The next account will be Vishal Trading Company. Now since my first page was over, I will prepare this account on a new page or new site. When you are going to prepare any account on a new page or new site, you will always write date, particulars, general folio amount again on either side, and rest of the accounts it is not required. Now there is one column called general folio. The general folio represents the posting that you made from the general on that page. This particular account must have been opened in the journal. So journal entry is passed on that page. Is the page number on which this particular account has been recorded. On 8th April we have purchase account debit to Vishal Trading Company to Mohan Garments. Vishal Trading Company has been credited with rupees 25,000. So this 25,000 will be posted on the credit side, and in the debit we have purchases account which will be posted here by purchase account 8th April 25,000. You will ignore the account of Mohan Garment because it is on the same side as Vishal Trading Company. Then on 10th, some goods you have returned back to the supplier Vishal Trading Company. So debit the receiver. It is debited. So the posting will be on the debit side. Date 10th April, and in the credit is purchases returns account. So posting will be to purchases returns account 5,000. There is no other transaction up to 30th April. So we will balance it on 30th April. Since credit side is greater, balancing will be on the shorter side, that is on the debit side. So the last day of the month, 30th, to balance carried forward with rupees 20,000. You will not close with double line because there are more than one figure on the debit side. So you have to total it. So 25,000 will come in the same line on either side. May 1st, you will bring down the balance on the credit side because credit side is greater. It is a credit balance, by balance brought down. The next ledger account will be the account of Mohan Garments. On 8th, the journal entry was purchase account debit to Vishal Trading to Mohan Garments with rupees 16,000. By purchase account will be posted on the credit side. First write the date 8th. In the debit you have purchase account, so it will be by purchase account, and the amount in front of Mohan Garments 16,000 will be posted, not 41,000. On 21st we have a transaction. The journal entry is Mohan Garments debit with 8,000 to cash account 7,800 to discount received account 200. Since Mohan Garments has been debited, the posting will be on the debit side. Date 21st, and opposite debit there are two credits, both will be posted with their respective figures, so that makes 8,000. To cash account 7,800 to discount received account 200. The credit side is more or greater, so the balancing will be on the debit side. To balance carried forward 8,000. After doing the totaling, we'll bring down the balance on May 1st on the credit side. By balance brought down 8,000. It is showing credit balance because credit side is greater. The next account is purchases returns account. On 10th April, the entry was Vishal Trading Company debit to purchase returns account. Purchase returns account is on the credit side, so posting will be also on the credit side. 10th will be the date. By Vishal Trading Company 5,000. No other posting is there, so it will balance on the debit side since credit side is greater, or it is a credit balance. 30th will balance to balance carried forward 5,000. Since we have the same figure or single figure on both sides, we will close with double line. May 1st by balance brought down. It should be brought down. By balance brought down.